Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to a brand new week of science, and our today's topic is forces in a soccer game. I hope you all know what is a soccer game, and if you don't know, don't worry, I'll help you recall what is a soccer game. Your learning outcomes are to identify what pushes and pulls can do in a soccer game. And you will also investigate and describe the movement of living and non-living things. Let's brainstorm first. What are forces? You all know by now very well that forces are two different types, push and pull. Why and how things move? Remember, things only move when they use force, that is push or pull. What happens when you use a push force? So try to act it out in your mind, or try to act out how does a push force works. Use your hands, try it. Yes, a push force is making thing move away when you use it. Remember, whenever you use push force, it will move that thing away from you. What happens when you use a pull force? When you use a pull force, come on, act it out. Use your hands. Try to look and observe your actions. When you pull something, that thing moves towards you. Why do we use forces? Now, we use forces to get our work done. It can be anything from getting out of the bed early morning, brushing your teeth, dressing up. Everything requires force. You're using forces to carry out your daily life activity. What can pushes and pulls do? Let's discuss what forces are used for playing a soccer game. You can see in this image a soccer game is being played. What can you do to make a ball start or stop moving? To make a ball start or stop moving, you will use forces. What can you do to make it move faster or slower? Recall your previous lessons. To move something heavy or to move something fast, we always use more force. And to pick up something light or move something slowly, we use less force. What can you do to stop it moving? As we have studied earlier, we can also use force to stop things. So we use forces in both the ways, to start a thing to move or to stop something from moving. Predict what will happen. We all know when we play soccer, we kick the ball and it starts to move. But what is a kick? Is moving faster. In the same way, if you kick harder, you're using more force to kick the ball. That's why the ball will move faster. Think about this one. If you're playing football or soccer game or any other ball game, what happens when you catch a moving ball? It keeps on moving? No, it stops moving. So see, you are using your body force to stop a moving object. So we learned that we can also use forces to stop something from moving. So let's see what we have studied in this lesson today. We studied that pushes and pulls are forces. They can do so many things. They can make things start or even stop moving. They can make things move faster or slower. They also change the direction of thing that is moving. So force can also change the position or the direction of something. Try out playing some more ball games and use different forces. Push and pull and see what happens to the ball. Here are some questions and research work for you. What forces make the soccer game move? The soccer game ball move? As we discussed it earlier, by now you should know we use both the forces, that is push and pull. Can you come up and name some other ball games? Do some research work and find out about different ball games and how and what forces are used in different ball games. Have fun searching, and I will catch you in the next science lesson. Do share your research work with me. Have fun. Assalamu alaikum.